YouTube? I'm here doing another little quick video for you guys. This time I'm doing weather floor mats, and I bought these LASFIT, and they were on sale for $9.99. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and how the material feels like, and put them inside a car to see how you guys like them. All right, let's get to it. Comes in this nice box, nicely wrapped. I like the material. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Sick. Check that out. Man, these are sick, man. Sick. Sheesh. Can't wait to put these on. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go put these on right now. Forgot to mention, I did buy this for the Honda Civic Type R. Sheesh. Shit clean. Alright. Let's get to it. Pull out the old ones out. Shit's getting worn out. See where I put my footsteps. Bye bye old. Start putting the new ones in there. Damn, perfect fitment. Look at this. Perfect fitment. Damn. Nice. Start the back ones. Driver side. Sheesh. So nice. Fitment is like perfect. Oop, forgot to put the seat in the front. I don't know if this is a drive left side or right. Oh, this is the wrong side. That goes over there. love these. Middle part. This is the best purchase I've done. Let's go to the middle. I'm struggling here. Damn. Jeez. Look at that, guys. What do you guys think? Sorry about that. Apparently my phone ran out of memory, so I had to delete some things, but here you go. This is the finished product right here of LASFIT floor liners. Look at that. I'm happy. I am super happy.